In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the capabilities of Midjourney with fashion. So no matter what you do, whether you have an e-commerce brand that sells fashion clothing, you're a fashion photographer, you're a designer, whatever you do, this is going to be game-changing for you. So what you want to do is go to Google, and you want to go to this website called PromptBase. Now up here, I'm going to type in fashion, but if you're a shoe designer, you could type in shoes. Whatever you do, you can type it in here. I'm going to go to Midjourney, and this is going to show me a load of different prompts. So let's say we're a bag designer here. Cool. So we can use these prompts for whatever we need. Maybe we want inspiration, we could do it for that. Maybe we want product photos, we could use it for that. What this basically is, you can buy a prompt here, and these prompts are going to be able to show you how you can make images like this in Midjourney. Now if I go back, let's see what else there is. I'm going to type in sneakers. Let's say we're a sneaker designer. So here, this is going to give you some sneaker designs. Maybe you could use this as inspiration. Or maybe you have some sneakers that you already have created or something like that, and you want to make some cool product photos like with them. Then you could go on here and grab this prompt here, and it would show you how to use this. And if you used the imagine prompt and used an image link, you could incorporate these together, which would be insane. So yeah, this is just a tool that I think is very useful, and a lot of people that are in fashion could really use this. Now, as well, if you go down here onto category, you can go to jewelry, which is I guess a type of fashion. You can also just look through here, and it will tell you different categories to do with what you're looking at. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.